So you probably remember that warm weather we had last winter. It cut events short, like the big one out there on Lake Nokomis, the Pond Hockey Championships. Well, organizers say this year the ice is some of the best they've ever seen. John Lauritsen shows us the changes at Lake Nokomis to accommodate the teams and the fans.
Just layer up, put some music in, try to have fun, and just know gotta get ready for hockey.
Jake Brown is getting ready for hockey in sub-zero temperatures. He's part of T-Rex Rinks, which has been tasked with helping to first clear off snow on Lake Nokomis and then build rinks for skaters and walking paths for fans.
This morning, Bobcat froze up. The snow bosses work awesome, luckily in the cold, but changing them out, your hands freeze half the time.
He hopes his efforts in the deep freeze are appreciated by the 280 teams showing up this week to play in the U.S. Pond Hockey Championships. Even though the forecast looks much more favorable compared to a year ago, organizers have made a few changes to make sure things run smoothly. January temperatures in 2024 reached 40 degrees, and the ice got so wet that the tournament was cut short.
Last year was a different beast. We had a quick freeze and then it warmed up, so we lost that second weekend.
Organizer Jesse Deloret says that was part of the reason why everything has been combined into 1 week. The puck drops Wednesday and the finals will be Sunday. Instead of trying to play in slush and slop for the 20th anniversary of the event, teams will be skating on some of the best ice they've seen in years, all thanks to the bitter cold.
Playing conditions is going to be great. I mean, it might be in the, low, maybe 10 to 15 degrees in the morning, but in the afternoons, 25 degrees. So yeah, you can't ask for better. It's hockey the way nature intended. We always like to say that, and it's going to be a heck of an event.
In Minneapolis, John Lauritsen, WCCO News.
He's right. Ideal for the fans and for the players out there. This will be the 20th anniversary of the U.S. Pond Hockey Championships. They're expecting about 2,700 skaters from all across the world.